bridge is coming up here somewhere. Ah, move your ass, man. Alright. This is us. That wasn't too bad. I thought it would be a lot more busier. Let's see if we can stop along the bridge as well. Give you guys a look at the Red River and the sunset. This is the old railway bridge. I think this was built by the French. When the French colonized Vietnam, they built this bridge. The train that goes over this bridge heads up to Sapa, Phu Thot province. This guy doesn't know where he's going. He's in the damn middle of the lane. Busy now. Where the hell are you going, dude? Should be going the other way. Lots of potholes on this bridge. They really need to fix it up, man. Pretty bad. So yeah, I've been doing quite a lot of stuff lately, guys. I've been streaming games as well online. Street Fighter 5. I'm actually in the Vietnam tournament. I mean, I've only started playing 6 months ago, so I'm now in the Vietnam tournament playing this weekend. So DJ Wiz NZ Live is my Facebook page. You can see me stream on there, and just show you some of the vibes here. Have a little break. So DJ Wiz NZ Live on Facebook and YouTube, and also Twitch. So yeah, I'm doing some gaming streams, some more vlogs here, podcasting, jamming, DJ stuff, and running events here. So I've been pretty busy, man. And working on another couple of projects, so it's been real busy as. Look at that sunset behind, guys. Sunset over there. Just taking a little break. This is the Red River. It's red because of the dirt. I think it's like red soot or red clay, some kind of red clay. Makes it look red. A lot of people come here to take wedding photos, and you can see a guy out there swimming. 2 guys swimming. Actually 3. What the hell are they doing? They must be getting some food out there. I know you can get some kind of like seafood out, not seafood, some kind of like river food. It's like a kind of like, what do you call those? Like a snail. like a river snail, small river snails, and they kind of get them in this river. But it's real dirty. The river is really dirty. I don't know how they can see out there. Just here where these houses are. Some guys out there. So yeah guys, that's the vibes. Two big buildings there. There's a shopping mall there. So I'm going to head over to that shopping mall, grab something to eat before I do my final class for the week. We'll head on over there to the end of the bridge and I can grab something to eat. I'll just check the time, see what the time is. Alright, so we've got about 40 minutes. I've walked this bridge. It takes like 30 or 40 minutes to walk across it. Good little walk too. I think it's like 2.5 k's long, something like that. Maybe even longer than that. I think it's longer than that actually, probably 3 k's. People are going home, so that's why this way is busy at the moment, but I'm glad I'm on the bridge now and not like in 30 minutes time. 30 minutes time, this place is going to be damn busy. Yeah, so yeah, I'm doing some Street Fighter 5 gaming tonight. After this, after teaching, heading to the Vikings Cafe. They've got a meetup there with players from Hanoi, some of the top players. So we're all going to have some like offline gaming sessions and get some dojo time in before we hit these tournaments. We've got about 3 or 4 tournaments coming up. It's just good fun, and the community here is good. There are some good people here, so and they got some really good players here. Oh, that's the hold up. These people on their bicycles. Lady and her bananas. So yeah, if you ever want to come to a place in Southeast Asia, guys, I recommend when the borders open, make some preparations to come to Vietnam. And if you do, let me know. Message me up and I can show you around, be your tour guide for you. Gonna head to there's a shopping mall down this way. Just got to cut across the other side, which can be tricky. You've got to go with the flow. So I'm going to park here and we're gonna call it a stream, guys. So thank you guys for tuning in. We shall see you guys on the next video. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I know it was quite long. Thanks for riding with me. Be good to do some more rides together. And yeah, check out my gaming page on Facebook, DJ Wiz NZ Live, and also on Twitch, DJ Wiz NZ Live, and our YouTube channel as well, DJ Wiz NZ. Thank you guys. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life, guys. Have a great life, not just a great day. Peace.